Coverage you can count on. This is LEX 18 News at Sunrise.
6:38, he's back, and he is sporting a spiffy tan.
Yes, he is. This morning, Lee Cruse is checking out the business equipment and more at Commonwealth Technology. Hey, Lee.
Caller 16? Okay.
Caller
No,
8.
what?
Oh, look at you.
You silly. What's your favorite Miley Cyrus song?
Do you
What's
even
my
know
favorite Miley Cyrus song? Are you putting me on the spot like that, you know?
You know them all, Lee. Come on, whatever.
Well, you know, I'm going to go old school with Achy Breaky Heart, I think, because I don't know anything Miley's done.
That's right. That's her dad. It stays in the family. That's right.
We missed you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well,
I'm glad to be back. We're at Commonwealth Technologies today. We've talked with these guys about making Central Kentucky businesses a lot more efficient. We'll show you some of the new products and services they've got offered up, plus more news, traffic, and weather coming up in just a bit as we continue with our big broadcast from East New Circle Road in the old Brock McVeigh building is where they are located now. You're watching LEX 18 News at Sunrise.
but first, check in with Lee Cruse. He's over at Commonwealth Technology. Morning, Lee.
Good morning there, guys. Yeah, we're talking about how Kentucky businesses can be a little more efficient. We'll show you how with these guys here located in the old Brock McVeigh building off of East New Circle. More news, traffic, weather coming up in just a bit as we continue with our broadcast. You're watching LEX 18 News at Sunrise. Welcome back to LEX 18 News at Sunrise today. We're with the folks at Commonwealth Technology. They're in the old Brock McVeigh building located off of East New Circle. We've been going through some of the software and programs that they have, and this is sort of the eye-catching moment. When you walk in their office, you'll see this big Mother Holland, looks like a tree chipper, maybe a miniature car wash for those little bitty crotch rockets that you see guys riding. Chad, who is with us, this is, I assume, some sort of super-duper copier. What are we looking at?
Well, this is considered a digital press, and this one's a full-color system. And kind of going back to the discussion that you had before with Antoine, is one of the ways that we can help companies save money is rerouting jobs into a centralized area where you produce, mass quantities at a cheaper cost per impression. And this is one of the systems that can do that. And this is also a way that people that have offset systems that have shorter runs, we're able to take those types of jobs and do that less expensive for them.
Now, this machine does some of these photocopies that look like they're magazine quality, essentially.
That's correct. This is a very high-end commercial system that can reproduce things that were traditionally done on an offset press. And the nice thing about this is there's many finishing capabilities as far as booklet making, trimming, hole punching. All those processes can be automated for customers, allowing free up labor cost.
Well, if you want to learn more about this or any of the other machines they got, you can go to the website, or they can call and give them the phone number.
294-3911.
Chad, thanks for talking with us.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
We appreciate it. Guys, that'll do it from here. We'll get you ready for the Today Show coming up in just a bit. You're watching LEX 18 News at Sunrise.